will show you the beautiful places here in Apayao. Top 10 list, Dupag Rock Formation, a clump of jagged limestone boulders ranging in height from 7 to 8 feet. Climbing to the peaks can be difficult, especially if you are not an avid hiker, but the thrill and the breathtaking view from the top will surely compensate. This location is highly recommended because the view from the top is spectacular. From those who see it, the feeling of having made it, as well as one of the most exhilarating experiences that you should try. Top 9, the Bayugao Falls, a collection of tiny waterfalls and pools that form naturally. Their chilly, crystal clear waters create a restorative scene that accentuates the nearby forest. With this kind of tourist destination, a revitalizing tourist draw and the multi cascades combine to make a perfect adventure and a lovely place to explore as well. I choose this because the pool clean and waterfalls of Bayugao is so refreshing. Top 8, Girdira Falls. Girdira Falls is considered as the biggest waterfall within the municipality. Girdira Falls measures around 30 feet high. The pristine falls of Girdira emanate from Mount Magitalan. I like this place because of its huge water volume. The falls carve a pool that is twice as big as an Olympic-sized swimming pool. It unfurls successive falls stretching as deep as 30 meters or more. Top 7, Dakota Underground River. The less well-known as Lusuk Underground Cave is complemented by the Dakota Underground River. Additionally, it boasts equally intriguing features. You must ride a boat until the deep level ends in order to enter the cave. Hike your way deeper into the cave from here. Impressive stalactite and stalagmite rock formations can be found inside. Along with the waterfall, eels, fish, and shrimp are among the many marine creatures that live in the cave's underground river. This delicate ecosystem needs to be protected and managed sustainably, along with the other tourist attractions in the province of Apayao. Top 6 is the Mount Kilang. In Mount Kilang, you will enjoy a magnificent view of this well-known mountain range from Calanasan-Solsona Road. This is regarded as Apayao's highest peak, and it can be seen from the province of Ilocos Norte, which is close by. The height of Mount Kilang is roughly 1,656 meters above sea level. All visitors are encouraged to visit the location between 4 a.m. and 5 p.m. because it's when the mountain's most impressive facade can be seen, which will improve viewing conditions. Enjoy the cool breeze that comes from the mist of nature, and don't forget to take photos of this location's celestial beauty. Top 5, the Bansilan Cave. Bansilan Cave is one of the most famous tourist spot or destination in Apayao Province. From Barangay Cupis proper, it takes around 30 minutes to hike to get here. Tatlong silid na may iba't ibang kahanga-hangang stalagmite at stalactites formations ang bumubuo sa kuweba. On one of these chambers, makikita ang tatlong mini waterfalls. Ang malinis na tubig ay dumadaloy sa mga malakristal na bato at mga hayop tulad ng paniki, alimango, at bihirang gagamba, at iba pa ay naninirahan din sa kuweba. Just like other caves in Apayao, this offers opportunities for spelunking, trekking, and even picnic activities. Top 4 tourist spot is Bagwit Falls. The height of Bagwit Falls is about 20 feet. It gently cascades down a boulder's face. 2 decks of natural pools are present. Dahil sa malamig na temperatura at malinaw na tubig nito, gustong-gusto ng mga lokal na bisitahin ang lugar na ito. And one of the undiscovered tourist attractions in Apayao is the Bagwit Falls. Top 3, Agora Wildlife Sanctuary. Pudtol's landscape is largely covered by the Agora Wildlife Sanctuary. It has one of Apayao's most intact deep terracarp forests. Unique plant and animal species also flourish in this area. Brooks and streams that fed the Apayao River are fed by the forest. According to locals, the wild jungles contain a variety of treasures, including unexplored caves and limestone rock formations. There are also various waterfalls in this area. And for my top 2 is the Mount Solo. Many Filipinos are fond of traveling to different places in the country and to other places. Mount Solo towers over 1,336 meters above sea level, making it the highest peak in Apayao. From here, one can view the extensive forests over of Pudtol and its neighboring municipalities. And it takes hours to days of a strenuous hike to reach its summit, depending on where are coming from. Tourism is not yet fully established in this area. That is why trails are not well established. In fact, only a few locals and hunters are able to assault its summit. Top 2 is the Mount Solo. Many Filipinos are fond of traveling to different places in the country and to other places. Mount Solo towers to over 1,336 meters above sea level, making it the highest peak in Apayao. From here, one can view the extensive forest cover of Pudtol and its neighboring municipalities. And it takes hours to days of a strenuous hike to reach its summit, depending on where you are coming from. Tourism is not yet fully established in this area. That is why trails are not well established. In fact, only a few locals and hunters were able to assault its summit. And the last but not the least, top 1 is the Lusok Cave and Underground River. Lusok Cave and Underground River containing several chambers. Lusok Cave showcases nature at its best. It has a wide opening, reminiscent of cathedral's dome. And to get inside the cave, one needs to ride a boat. Yes, it has an underground river. And like Palawan, the view of the river itself is breathtaking, with fresh, pristine waters and emanating from the cave. One inside you'll catch sight of stunning stalactite and stalagmite rock formations. One could simply wonder how such beauty formed. Numerous bats also inhabit the cave, indicating the rich biodiversity. To date, this is one of the most popular tourist spot in Apayao province that you should try. And that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoy and I hope you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.